So how can Agile help you work with, not against, business culture? I guess the most important thing is Agile teaches us acceptance. You gotta start where the organization is and work from there. You gotta let the culture run its course. You gotta let people talk, because culture is actually about behaving, what people do, not what they say. If the manifestation of culture is actually behavior, and not words, not people say, Agilists need to start thinking about how they shape behavior rather than what they say, what they write. It really is about shaping behavior. Very much like with black flies. If I put a net on my head, that helps much more than deed, doesn't it? So the black flies are back. When you want to change people's behaviors, rather than what they say, you want to start small with pilot experimentations, as a true Agilist would. At the end of the day, you know that the black flies, they only go Mother's Day to Father's Day. And the same with organizational and business culture. At the end of the day, things pass, and as an Agilist, we succeed. Just like black flies, culture swarms around you, knocking you down. You just don't know where it's coming from. No matter what the coach says, culture always comes back biting you. DEET. As much as DEET doesn't help against black flies, believe me, I'm feeling it on my skin here. All those so-called maturity models or playbooks that are being sold, they don't help combat business culture, because business culture always prevails.